That sound right there, hearing the engine roar into life, that's part of it. You feel the power wake up. Snowblowing can be hard work, but it's also rewarding. There's something about it, the steady motion, the rhythm, watching a path slowly reappear where there was nothing but white. I find it pretty therapeutic. One thing you learn quickly, you always make sure to clear the end of the driveway. If you don't make it obvious where your driveway begins and ends, the city plows might decide for you. Snowblower does a lot of the work, but it doesn't do all of it. There are spots it just can't reach. Snowblower can be fun. That's what we have to share with you from Alaska. Keep warm. I'll keep a log in the stove the next time you stop by.